this video, we're going to look at using EUCON with the Audient ORIA, how to get set up, and some of the basic functionality. Firstly, we highly recommend updating your ORIA software and firmware to the latest versions. The ORIA software installer can be found on the Audient website, on the ORIA page and under Downloads. Once installed, launching ORIA Control will prompt for any firmware updates that may be required and will walk you through the process. If you have not installed the EUCON software on your computer, find the EUControl installer on the Avid website and follow the steps. Then ensure your EUCON control device is connected. ORIA Control needs to be active when using EUCON, either with the window open or minimized, so make sure this is launched as this app connects the ORIA hardware to the rest of your mixing setup. Using EUCON with ORIA opens up the power of the Avid Control iPad app. In this app, with ORIA Control as the focus, navigate to the soft keys via the iPad and you will see there are pre-configured pages of control functionality, including in-depth monitoring controls such as ORIA profile selection, mono and volume dim, as well as powerful speaker controls such as muting or soloing individual speakers and speaker groups. If you are looking to add ORIA's functionality into your pre-existing page layouts, the full function list is available in the command menu for each button under the EUCON tab as seen here. There are several ways to configure your standalone hardware EUCON device with ORIA, but one that may be the most powerful for ORIA users is the ability to lock the monitor controls to ORIA, as seen here in the Applications tab of the EUControl Settings app. This will enable continuous control of volume levels on the dock, S4 and S6, even when focusing on another program such as Pro Tools. Another powerful feature of ORIA and EUCON is the support for soft keys on hardware such as the S1 to be used with ORIA even when focusing on another app. For example, assigning the rightmost button on the S1 to reference volume in the soft keys tab by selecting the soft key, pressing Command, adding a EUCON command from the top left dropdown, and selecting monitoring and reference volume. This is now reflected in the soft key setup window as seen here. When ORIA Control is the focus, the faders on the S series are also automatically assigned to be able to control the faders on the ORIA low latency mixer, but the channels in the mixer can be configured in a specific order to fit your needs. From there, you should be ready to control your ORIA in a new, powerful way. Alongside the dedicated ORIA iPad remote app and Stream Deck support, this should give you the power and flexibility to control your mixes with ease and precision. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to the channel for updates and more information about current and upcoming products. Thanks for watching and have fun mixing immersive.